Well, hello. In this lesson, we are going to be doing some paper folding or origami, and we're going to be stacking them together and making something like this. Now, we're not going to leave it just like this, but that's the first step of it. So I'm going to set this aside and show you what you need to get started. The first thing is you are going to come up and take one color of each of the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I'm going to set these aside, and we're going to be putting our folded paper together in rainbow order. So we want to, you can check the back wall for help with that. So the first part, here's my square. I'm going to fold it in half, and notice how I take this with both fingers and I'm folding point to point, and once I get it there, I'm going to hold it, and then I'm just going to flatten down that bump. I like to put my fingernail across there to really make the crease nice. Open that up, turn it this way, so now that crease is going up and down, and take the two ends this way, point to point, and crease it. So now it looks like that, a plus sign. Now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to turn it like a diamond, and I'm going to take the bottom point up to the top point, and sometimes the paper doesn't like to cooperate, so you just have to kind of play with it a bit, and then I'm going to flatten that down and crease that nicely. Now I'm going to open it up and flip it over, and you see how I just popped that? See, it was like this, and then I just popped it. And now you can see the X and then this line across. Actually, I might do it on this side. Okay, so you can see it on this side. This line here is going down. That's called a valley fold. And this line are sticking up. That is a mountain fold. So I'm going to come here, and I'm just going to put the valley fold down, the mountain sides together, just like that. And then press that down. So there's one done. I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to do it again with my orange. So I'm going to take point to point, folding it in half, flattening, opening, and then turn it point to point. Smooth that out with your finger. Open it. Now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do this point up here, and then flatten it here. Open it up, and then I just, see how I did that? I opened it up, but then I popped it over, and you can see the valley and the mountain lines. So I'm going to put that here, and it kind of collapses down nicely on itself. It doesn't really take too much. And set that aside. Okay, yellow, point to point, smooth it down, open it, point to point, and see how that one wants to stick up. Just kind of be gentle with it. It'll cooperate eventually. Open it up, flip it over, make a diamond, this point to that point, flatten it, open it up, pop it, look for the mountain and the valley. Okay, there's three. Now it's the green. So you can see that it takes time to do all six, but once you get it, I think it'll be easy. And then flip it, point to point. Now we're doing it with the colors of the color wheel. You don't have to do that, but this just makes it very nice and colorful. Fold it and fold it. I'm thinking you could do this with origami paper. You could just do it with white paper. Open it, flip it. Thank goodness I only have one more to do. Open it. Let's see. One more, my last one. I know my camera's out of focus now. There you go. It does help watching me do all 6 of these. Open it, flip it, point to point. Open it, pop the center. All right, now I'm going to set this down. I'm not going to make you watch me glue all of them. Of course, I don't have a glue stick handy. Hold on. I'm not going to make you watch me glue all of these. I just want to show you and just things to be careful of. So I'm going to glue this down. So this is the open side. This is the closed. I'm going to put some glue here. And then I'm going to make sure that I have my orange one, because orange comes next, that it's going the right way. And stack that up. So they should be opening like that. All right, so then I hold this in place, put glue, and I'm going to take my yellow one and line that up, and press that down. Yep, so far so good. And I'm going to do that all the way around until I have all the colors, just like this. And then I'll share with you what we're going to do with this.